Hey, I'm Nick. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make a nice breakfast or brunch item, some nice stuffed French toast. Got some great challah bread. We're going to make a mascarpone stuffing for it. And then I got these luxardo real Italian maraschino cherries. This stuff, if you've never had it, I'll link in the description. You got to try it at least once. This is so much better than what you get in the store, which is just artificial colors and sugars. These are like 10 times better. We're going to use these as well. We're going to use the sauce from these, which is wonderful. It's really easy to do. This is much better than that plain old Wonder Bread French toast. So let's make this, show you just how easy it is. All right, we got a nice loaf of challah bread here. I like to use challah bread for French toast because it's thick, it's eggy. If you use, plain white bread, it falls apart a little bit. It doesn't have a lot of flavor, a lot of processed sugars. Challah bread's really good. Brioche works as well. So we'll just cut off some of this. The end off, cut about an inch thick. I like to take two pieces and put the filling in between. I've cut a big, like a thicker piece and then try to stuff it. Doesn't work as well. This evenly gets the filling in there, makes it much nicer. So for our filling, we just take some mascarpone cheese, got at room temperature, got a 1/4 pound. Put half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we'll zest in about a teaspoon of orange zest. Love the orange flavor with this. The zest has so much flavor. The zest is so much more flavorful than the juice. And then we'll add a tablespoon of powdered sugar. And that's our filling. Just combine that. All right, set that aside. I'll make our French toast batter. We got 3 eggs. Put in a tablespoon of pure maple syrup. Half a cup of milk. And then we'll just add half a teaspoon of vanilla. We don't want to add any cinnamon or any other spices like we usually would with a French toast mixture because we have the nice orange mascarpone stuffing. We're going to have those beautiful cherries. We'll just combine this. We'll take our challah bread. We'll take our mascarpone mixture. Take a little bit of that. And just sandwich it in. You don't want to go crazy. We don't want it completely pouring out while we cook this. But just evenly coat it. Making like a nice sandwich. Put a thin layer on the other side. That looks good. And then we'll just sandwich these together. Press it down. And then we'll add it to our mixture. Let that soak up that egg batter. Give it a flip. The excess get off. Now we're ready for the pan. Okay, we got a tablespoon of butter melting in our nonstick pan. Medium heat. We'll add our stuffed French toast. Let that begin to cook. We don't want the heat too high. We want the butter to nicely brown our French toast. Don't want to get too much color. Make sure it gets heated through. Check that out. Looks nice. We'll give that a flip. Nice golden. Let that finish cooking. We get a tray lined with paper towel. See, our mixture isn't coming out. Mascarpone cheese is nice, nestled in between the 2 pieces of challah bread. Because it's thick, it has that nice, you have the nice crunchy exterior, but it's still soft inside. All right, this looks ready. Let's get this off. Show you how we plate this. Into our tray here. Turn off the heat. Smells so good. So we'll take a little more of our mascarpone mixture. Put a couple of nice quenelles here on the plate. Make it look a little fancy. Just taking 2 spoons and just making it shape. Just like that. French toast. Give it a cut here. Ah, looks great. That filling. Put this on our plate like that. Now for these great cherries right here. We'll put some of these on the plate. Pick up these cherries. They are just so good. I mean, they really are. One by our cheese. I think 5 cherries is good. And then we'll just take some of that sauce that the cherries are in. And just around the plate. Like that. And that looks pretty good. Mascarpone stuffed French toast with our luxardo, real Italian maraschino cherries. That's a beautiful plate right there. Give this a try. Great breakfast dish, great brunch dish. You got to give this video a like. This is beautiful. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.